Hi folks, this is Slava from DTF UK. If you ever had or will have a bulk order for school or university leavers, you are in the right place. Today I'll show how to build a DTF transfer gang sheet for school leavers, easily, quickly and ready to press. Firstly, you need to open the DTF.uk website, and on top navigational menu you will find Leavers DTF transfer gang sheet. Click on it and you will be landed to the product detailed page with this green call to action button. Once you click on Build a DTF gang sheet for school leavers button, you will be landed to the online builder that will allow you to create school or university leavers. On the left navigational menu, there is a management for names and numbers. Let's imagine that I have an order for 25 university leavers, a class of 25 London Business School. I need 1 line of text, 2 line of text and 3 line of text, and also number 25. What I need to do, I need to click on add names, and I would be able to pre-select the size. Medium is pretty fine for me. Also, I would be able to select the font from the existing one. By the way, if you ever need to add an unique extra font, just note us to support at DTF.uk and we would be able to extend our font library with your font. So let's imagine that I'm interested in dark college font. Also, my garment will be white, therefore the font color will be black. So the first one, it's a class of quantity 1, keep in mind. However, I need 25 of them, yeah. So the second one, it's London, and the third line, it's business school. Yeah, so 1 of each, keep in mind. Then I need to add numbers. The same for the numbers, you would be able to select the size. Also, you would be able to select the font. I will select this Academy one, and the color will be black as well. The number will be 25. Keep in mind that it's gonna be 1 in this case. Now, once you click on confirm, all of this text will be added to the board. Why I said create only 1? Because if you will say create 25 of them, the business school not in the right size. You see, as you can see, it's 469 millimeters, which is pretty big for the back of any hoodies, t-shirts, sweatshirts, whatever. So firstly, I'm fixing this by redefining the size of this. Yeah, so it's gonna be 28 centimeters, pretty much enough. The same for the London. Let's say 28. I'm fine with this as well. So the same for the number as well. So 28 looks fine to me, and for the class of 28 as well. So, and I'm located like exactly how it's gonna be on the back, which is pretty fine. Now, assuming that I need 25 of these items, I'm saying that I need 25 and click on duplicate image. Click on confirm and the system will generate a lot of gang sheets. There is a button on the bottom, auto build a gang sheet. Click on it and say I need 25 of each. Click apply. The system will generate 4 meters instead of previous enormous amount of gang sheets in the proper way. So this is ready to print a gang sheet with the proper sizing that you can easily order and press. To complete an order, click on save and add to cart, accept your terms. You will be landed to the basket page. On the basket, you need to review your basket, that it's going to be 4 meters. You is able to preview. Also, you have to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, define your delivery and payment options, and happy printing.